Hi, this is Chudamani Pan, and today I'm going to talk about subnetting. First, what is subnetting? Well, subnetting is the process of dividing one network into two or more networks. The main purpose of subnetting is to help relieve network congestion and to improve network performance. And security is another benefit of subnetting. Here, we will see how to do subnetting. First, we have to determine the class of given network. And second, we need to determine how many bits we're borrowing for a subnet. 3, we need to determine the usable number of subnets using the formula 2 to the power b, where b is the number of bits borrowed. And for 4, we need to determine how many possible number of sub-hosts we need to determine. And for this, the formula is 2 to the power u minus 2, where u is the total number of bits minus bits borrowed. For 5, we need to do default mask, and 6 is subnet mask. As well, 7 is to determine the increment, which is nothing but the possible number of hosts. On 8, we need to determine the network address and the broadcast address of the given subnet. And at last, we need to determine the usable range for its subnetwork. We can see on the second slide. Here, for an example, we're going to use this class C subnet. Here, the formula is 3n and h, as n is for network bits and h for host bits. The default is /24 notation, and default mask is 255.255.255.0. Let's take an example of borrowing 2 bits here. Adding 2 to the /24 gives us 26, and the network subnet mask would be 192. Here, the subnet of number of subnets is 4. This is because 2 to the power 2 that we borrowed a 2 here gives us 4. And for the hosts, it's 2 to the power 6 minus 2, which gives us 62, and the increment is 64, as we have the possible number of hosts is 64. Later, we're going to divide that subnet into 4. Here are 4 subnets. For the first, it's subnet 0. Here, it starts from 0. Its network address is 0 because for the network address, all the bits should be 0. And for the broadcast, all the bits should be 1. That's why it's 63 here. And all the other addresses ranges from 1 to 62. Likewise, we can calculate all the network address, broadcast address, and the range for SN1, SN2, and subnet 3.